do this?
And I'm going to record it
Oh, okay.
so we can share it with the others
We could review. Forget
and
the
we can
others.
review.
Oh, okay. Wow. Okay.
All right. This one was filled out by our first instructor, just so it was the example he gave us,
Uh-huh.
just so you know why it has stuff boxed in.
So Anne and I went through it all and we realized we knew what some of them meant, but we didn't know what others meant.
So embarrassing.
Oh,
After 7 years.
okay. Well, when we start with that block, and you can ask if there's something you like to ask about.
Yeah,
Okay.
general on the right side down first, right?
General
Uh-huh.
approach.
Are you guys,
Okay.
are you playing 2/1?
Yeah, we always have.
Oh, okay. That's good.
So two over
Although,
one means that it's always forcing
Well,
if you
that's what it,
if
yeah,
you change suits.
no, you remember it's like if you start off with, you open a major, like one heart or one spade, and you go to two clubs or two diamonds, that's a 2/1 game.
and it means that your partner cannot pass.
Correct. Yeah.
And game forcing means you
I
think
mean,
you can make it to game,
yeah, you're
but
gonna be in game. Yeah, exactly.
if your opponents don't screw you up on the way.
That's true. There's always the exception. Yes.
Okay, gotcha.
So, but is it always a minor bid over a major bid, or could it be the other way around?
No, because what if if your partner opens a club and you say one spade, that's still open-ended, you know?
Yeah.
Well, that's 1/1. That's not 2/1.
Yeah. But you still can keep on going. Yeah, it is because you just bid a brand new suit and your partner has to bid again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's always game forcing.
2/1, yes.
Okay. What does very light mean?
Where are we?
Under 2/1.
The right this is the card. If it would be folded in half, the right side of the right half of this page would be the front.
Yeah, yeah, I see that.
So we start there. So right under 2/1 game forcing, it says very light.
Oh, no, I see that. But none of these are checked off.
Right.
Yeah, so don't worry about it.
But we don't know what it means.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see.
It's not checked off because we don't know what it means.
Well, I mean,
No, okay. What it means is if you open the bidding, you could be light. Okay, like you can
less
have
than
less than 13. Yeah, you can have 11 or 10 points. That's opening.
okay. Right.
It has nothing to do with 2/1.
Gotcha. And would you you play 13, 12, or judgment between the two?
The latter.
Okay, that's what I figured.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
one club is forcing?
Opening one club?
Yeah.
No.
Now, this has two clubs,
No, two
which would
clubs is forcing. Yeah, two clubs
that's the strong bid.
Yeah.
So your partner can't pass. That's why you do the two diamonds.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a forcing opening bid. That's correct.
Okay. So no trump. We're agreed. That's 15 to 17 points.
Uh-huh.
We need 5 cards in a major to open.
No. This is under no trump.
Oh,
So what he's
then
saying is if you have a 5-card major and 15 to 17, you can open one no trump.
but if you have 15 to 17, even if you don't have a 5-card major, you can open.
Right. But some people play that if you have a 5-card major, you don't open no trump.
Yeah,
You have
because
to open the major. But we
exactly.
play that you open no trump.
Yeah, if you have a 5-card major, for the time being, open the major.
Oh, really?
Yeah. No,
Because
because
Adam always taught us to do the no trump because it gave more information.
no, because if you don't, you see, that's the thing. If you
All
open
right.
with a 5-card major, then you have to play puppet Stamen. Because
We-
your partner doesn't know, do you have a 4-card major or a 5-card major?
Okay.
You see, if I open one no trump, and I'm sorry, if you open one no trump and I say 2 clubs, you're going to say 2 spades, right? But I don't know, is that a 4-card suit or a 5-card suit?
Hmm.
And
Okay.
you're looking for 4. Okay, so always open the major. Well, that makes sense.
But I'm saying
Or
is,
no
I'm going to have to teach you puppet Stamen. Puppet Stamen is the one that you use if your partner opens with a 5-card major. But that's another lesson.
Okay. I've never heard of puppet Stamen.
Yeah, it's only for those who open a 5-card major.
Okay,
as-
so
as
we're
a-
writing that.
Yeah, so
And
put that on hold.
Okay.
Okay.
And
So what
what's
is
this double 2 clubs thing?
system on over X 2 club?
Yeah.
Double 2 club?
So if the opponent opens one no trump, I'm sorry, if I open one no trump, I'm your partner, and the next person doubles, you still can use Stamen and Jacobi transfer.
Oh, okay. Even if
Okay.
it's double.
So the system is on over opponent's double.
But not
But-
over opponent's bid.
Well, I tell you that. That's the next thing. So I open one no trump, and the next person bids 2 clubs. If you double, that means what?
You like everything but 2 clubs.
No, it means he stole your bid.
Oh.
That's the stolen bid. That means you wanted to bid 2 clubs. All right,
In response, so Stamen, you wanted to bid Stamen?
correct.
Okay.
So if I open one no trump, and the next person bids 2 hearts, and you double, what does that mean?
That I wanted to open 2 hearts.
Now you want to respond to hearts,
Okay.
which means what?
Diamonds.
No, it means transfer to spades.
Oh, I always get the direction wrong, up or down.
It's
Okay.
up. It's up.
Up.
So that's what it is. So if I open no trump and whatever this next person bids and you double it, that means that was the bid you wanted to make.
Right. So I respond to 2 spades.
No, me, the no trump opener. I'm going to respond according
Yeah.
to your double. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's what it is.
Okay.
All right. Next.
2 diamonds transfer to hearts. Okay, that's
Yeah.
the
We know all
transfer.
that.
Forcing Stamen. Do we need to know Smolin?
No.
Yeah, that's
I think-
another lesson.
Okay.
I mean, I don't think we need more complications, Emily.
Yeah.
No.
Let's just make sure we know what we are supposed
Okay.
to.
All right. 2 spades is the transfer is to 2 clubs.
Right.
What is negative double again?
If 2 people have bid, is that correct? Instead of when
Yeah,
one
if
suit is
no-
bid,
yeah,
is a double.
Yeah. You see what happened is if I open one no trump and you bid 2 spades, okay? I know you want me to go to clubs. And this person doubles. It's a negative double. Okay? But it's a little confusing here because it's as a matter of fact, I wouldn't bother with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So uncheck it.
Now,
What?
don't check it. No. Just
Yeah,
leave it alone.
uncheck.
Okay. And we're agreed that 2 no trump in response to a 1 no trump means that you have 8 to 9 points in a balanced hand.
And what else? You
Oh,
deny
and a,
four
and
card,
a, and a,
you deny a 4-card major.
Right, no four-card major.
oh,
And no transfer.
and
Right.
no what?
No transfer.
Okay.
And transfers is 6 or more.
Now, if you bid 3 clubs over 1 no trump, it's a transfer to diamonds,
Right,
right? Yeah, that's what he's.
right.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got it.
Okay.
Okay. Major opening.
And now I want to make sure the 2 no is 20-21,
That's
Right.
what it's saying. Yep,
and then you could do also Jacoby transfer to that.
right.
And now 3 no trump, it varies. People play 22-24. I don't know what you guys like to play.
He wrote it as this, but should we, what do you think's better? This is us deciding what we should play, so.
Yeah, I mean, you're already at the. I mean, you want to be in game, right?
Right.
Right,
So you got to have at least enough for game. So if you open 3-0 with 25 points, I would save that for 2 clubs.
now you don't even need your partner for that.
Yeah.
So 22 to 20,
24.
24. Yeah.
and then you're only counting on your partner for a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay. Major opening.
Right.
You have to have 5 of a major for your
To
first
open.
bid.
Yeah.
You have to have 5 of a major if you're bidding after your opponent.
if you're opening on the second.
No,
round.
this is opening. If you're opening
Anytime you're
first,
open, you need 5.
first seat, second seat, third seat, or fourth seat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
if you have a response is a double raise, that means I open 1 spade and you respond 3 spades. That shows you have 4 spades and 10 points. It's a limit raise. Inviting to game.
what's it
Oh,
called?
okay.
What was that called?
Inviting, a limit raise.
It's a limit raise, inviting to game. That's why you have I and V in there. So if I open with 12 points and you have 3 and you bid 3 spades, I'm not going to be in game because we don't have enough for game. Because I know your hand is limited. You have 10 or 11 points as the responder. Make sense?
It does. But it feels like something I'm going to forget. Okay.
Okay. I open a
what-
spade and the next person bids 2 clubs and you bid 3 spades. That
You
shows
raise
that-
double.
that's a weaker hand. That's what it says. After an overcall, if you jump, it's a weak hand.
So is that 8
Is
to
that
9?
the way most people play?
Yes.
Okay,
And that's 8 to 9 points?
It's even less than that.
Oh,
Yeah.
6 to 8?
Less than 6.
Oh,
6 or less.
6 to 9 is normal.
Yeah, 6 to 9 would be, if it goes one heart, 2 clubs, 2 hearts, that's a normal raise. 6 to 9 points.
Right.
But if it
And
goes,
double, you would have like 10 to,
yeah, if it goes
Well,
1 heart,
13.
2 clubs, and you say 3 hearts, that shows 6 or less points. But you have a long heart suit.
that's kind of counterintuitive. Like you're raising the bidding, but you're telling them you don't
No,
have
because you want to shut the opponent out.
Okay.
And not only that, as long as you have a fit with your partner, because have at least 5 hearts. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then the other bit is as you know, is the weak freak. If it goes 1 heart, 2 clubs, 4 hearts. I think we've had a couple of hands like that. a
Yeah.
weak freak. So all you have there is a lot of hearts and nothing else.
How many people play the weak freak?
Oh, a lot.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
so we should add it.
Oh, yes.
Okay. And that's just for majors?
Yes.
Okay.
Just the majors.
Okay.
And
Anything
of
else?
course, you do play Jacoby 2-No Trump. That's
Yeah.
boxed in. And you remember the splinter bid?
Yeah.
Does that ring a bell?
No,
Yeah,
well, it rings
yeah.
a bell, but what is it again?
It's Jacoby 2-No Trump, but asking for strength.
No,
Or
no,
showing weakness.
no. That's the splinter bid.
You're right. The splinter
No,
bid
the
is,
splinter bid, it goes like this. I open one heart and you're my partner and you jump to 4 clubs. That shows shortness in clubs and support in my suit and in at least almost an opening hand. Because the singleton or avoid is worth 3 or 5 points. So it's
Right.
almost like an opening hand if you add up all your points.
right.
That's a splinter bid. It shows shortness in the bid you make, but it's a double jump. Remember that. It's a double jump in a suit you're short in. Yeah, I think you should have gotten I did send you a document.
We did do some of those. It's
Yeah.
just, we don't remember it well.
Mhm.
So you're just telling your partner bid 4 hearts? So that,
Or possibly go to slam,
okay.
It's the way I thought of it is Jacoby 2-No, you're finding out where your partner's weakness is. And in Splinter, you're showing your partner where your weakness is.
It's not weakness, it's where you're short.
Where you're short.
Short.
Shortness is.
Yeah. That's
Okay,
exactly right.
tell me again, Jacoby 2-No.
It's the one we should have done there. If you have 10 or more points and 4 or more card support for your partner. Or if you have opening bid strength, right? And 4
Yeah,
or
it's
more.
opening bid strength. Yeah.
And 4 or more, like that game, the one hand we did wrong yesterday, where
Okay.
we would have gotten to slam if we had done it right. And then you start doing Blackwood.
Blackwood. Yeah.
Okay.
It's just recognizing it at the time. We played it and missed it and then said, oh, wait, that would have been what we should have done.
Yeah.
Ugh.
So an opening 2-No Trump bid is forcing?
I'm sorry?
An opening 2-No Trump bid?
A 2-No Trump response.
No, this is the response.
Oh,
It's
okay,
I open a
that's right,
minor
that's
major
right,
bid
right.
That's Jacoby 2-No Trump.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and we're not going to worry about Drury reverse to a
No.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
minor.
Okay,
Now, do
so
you-
you folks,
He was playing 3 or more. Some people play 4 or more. What do you think?
no, it's no, for clubs it's 3, for diamonds it's 4.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I mean, and I'm not saying it's going to happen all the time, but in the majority of the times, if you open a diamond, you should have 4 in diamonds.
Okay.
But if you open a club, you should have 3 or more.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is NF?
I'm sorry.
That column next to 3.
Oh, and F, and it's not forcing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I open 1 club.
And if I pay 3 clubs,
That's weak.
that's weak.
And weak is 6 to 9.
Yeah. But yeah, I better have 5 because You're only promising 3.
Right.
So I should have at least 5 clubs in my hand. Same
Okay.
thing if you open a diamond.
Okay.
Now, if I do a single raise, as that he saw that shows at least 10 high card point. Like if you open a club and I say 2 clubs, that's almost an opening hand. See, the single raise is in red.
Oh, okay.
So you should make sure you bid again. Don't pass me.
So that means you have 5 clubs and
Almost-
11 points.
At least close to an opening hand or better.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Frequently bypass 4 plus diamonds. What does that mean?
What does that mean is if you open a minor, like 1 club, I usually bid my major first, even if I have 5 diamonds in my hand. So what if you open a club and I have 5 diamonds and 5 spades? What would you bid?
Spades.
That's it. So that's why you frequently bypass 4 diamonds.
Got it.
So we could block that in if we wanted.
If you want to do that.
Yeah,
Other
I mean,
people
that's what,
that bid up the line. Like if you open a club and I say 1 diamond, even though I have a 4-card major, I'm telling you that I have at least 4 or more diamonds in my hand.
I would block it in. I think we played.
Yeah,
the
I want to
major
block
first.
it because I prefer to show my major first.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Okay, now he left out the range for a no trump response to 1 of a minor. That's typically 6 to 9 points.
Where are we looking? No Trump.
Yeah, it says 1 no / 1 club.
Okay, yeah.
So if you open a club and I say 1 no trump, I have 6 to 9 points,
Right,
and I'm denying a 4-card major.
right. He
Okay?
has that in his notes, but he didn't have it on the sheet. Yeah.
Oh, okay. And if you bid 2 no trump, I'm showing 10 to 11. I think it should be 10 to 12.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, he's saying 10 to 11, but we'll say 10 to 12. Okay.
And if you bid 3 no trump over a minor opening, you have at least 13 or more points, 13 plus.
Yeah. And he had said 12 plus and no 4-card major.
Correct. Now you gotta have 13, not 12.
Okay, I put 13.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So a 2
Whoa.
club bid, isn't a 2 club bid usually higher than 20?
That's correct. It should be 22 plus. I'm surprised he said 20 plus. That's, I don't know where he's coming from. That's a
Okay.
brand new, never heard of that bid.
Okay.
And 2 diamond waiting as the response. Yeah, that's correct.
Right.
Okay. And then as far as week 2s, I don't know. What do you guys play? I usually play 6 to 10.
Oh, we've always played 5 to 11.
Oh, you did?
What do
Okay.
you,
I mean, it's partnership agreement, you know.
what would be the pros and cons?
Well, it's fewer points.
So you play 6 to 10, you play
Yeah, I play 6 to
higher on the
10,
low
and
end and lower on the
your
high.
range is much wider. Yours goes to 11.
Yeah.
Shall we change it in?
Well, it's you know, I play 6 to 10.
Okay. And the reason you wouldn't want to have it be 11 is,
No,
I
because
see.
sometimes you may have a decent six card suit, okay,
uh,
and you may have a singleton or a void somewhere else.
okay,
So I would open 1 of that suit. I wouldn't open 2 hearts. I would open 1 heart.
okay.
Now he's got the 2 no trump response checked off. Now, what do you respond to that? Like you open a week 2, like 2 hearts, and I respond to no trump. What's your response to that?
According to him, a to no trump response would mean 12 or more points, 4 or more hearts, forcing the game.
No,
All right.
no.
That's what this says, though.
No,
Okay,
no,
so-
it's
All right,
the
so what
with the-
should we do?
what typically what people do is if you open it's only for the majors, okay?
Right.
Not you don't do I don't know if you do that. I don't know. Maybe you
Oh,
could do
he
it
had
for,
only for me. He had only
no, I'm
for
sorry.
me.
If you do it for all three, all week two bids. So you open two hearts, and I
Mhm.
respond to no trump. I'm asking you, do you have an outside honor other than your suit?
Oh, wait, I think he said here, I was reading the wrong
Asking
thing.
for a feature outside
Right.
your suit, and a feature is an ace or a king.
Yeah, here it is. He says, if you do two no trump after a
A
preempt,
week two, yeah.
15 plus points and either 3 of a new suit with an ace or a king in that suit, 3 of the original suit with a weak hand, no aces and kings outside the original suit, 3 no trump, or oh, those are the that's the responses that could be to the 2 no trump bid. 3 no trump would mean a strong hand, no aces or kings outside of the original suit. It's confusing.
No. You should keep it simple.
All right.
You open a week two,
Yeah.
and I respond to no trump. So let's
Okay.
open two hearts, and I say two no. If you have an
Okay.
outside ace or king outside your suit, you bid it.
Right.
Goes two hearts, two no, 3 clubs.
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay.
Gotcha.
If you
Yeah.
don't have an outside ace or king, you just rebid your suit.
What is
Gotcha.
that?
Okay. Yeah.
What does that say about your points?
For me, as the
Yeah.
response,
The
yeah, I have
respondent.
an opening hand.
The two no Trump
Yeah.
responder has an opening hand.
Correct.
Because he would always say, unless you have 15 or no points, don't just pass a preempt.
Yeah, I mean, because if you're at the top of your bid, let's assume you have 10 points, and you open
Yeah.
it with two, and I'm sitting here with 14 or 15 points. Conceivably, we could be in game.
So you would do it at 12 or more points.
No, I should have an opening hand. I should have at least 13
Opening.
plus. Yeah,
13. Okay.
13 plus. Yeah.
13 plus. Okay. Gotcha.
And that's the only forcing bid.
Okay. And then
What do you-
what would you have to make the response to a 2 no be 3 no?
No, that doesn't make sense.
Never happens?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe, yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, for now, ask us
Well,
again
I
next
think-
week.
It's a major accomplishment that we got through this.
I know, no, I'm taking notes and we have the tape, so we'll,
Okay, and then at the bottom of that first page, you do play new minor forcing.
What's
not that we,
Do you
I think
remember
we're
it?
supposed to, but I
No.
don't know that we know it really.
Tell us again.
Okay. I open a minor, I open a club, and you respond 1 spade. So that's promising at least 4 spades and 6 or more points,
Right.
right?
Yeah.
And I come back and I say 1 no trump. Now remember what I opened. I opened a club, right? Remember?
Yeah,
Club,
yeah,
1 spade, 1 no, and then you bid 2 diamonds.
okay,
That's new minor forcing. If you bid the other minor, you're telling me now that you have at least 5 spades and 10 plus points.
all right, just a minute, I'm writing.
Uh-huh.
All right, I'm not sure I'll remember that.
Now, if it goes one club, one spade, one no trump, if you got nothing else, you're going to pass. Right?
Right.
Now, if you bid two spades over my one no, that tells me that you have at least five spades, at least five, but you have less than 10 points. Because
Okay.
you didn't bid the new minor, the other
Yeah,
minor.
okay,
Okay?
okay, that's gonna take a long time to sink in.
Yeah, we're gonna have to practice that one.
Okay.
All right.
All
It's-
right. Second
Thank-
hand, bless you.
I mean, because the thing that's missing, and I guess, it only comes with practice, is, when we felt totally at sea in the first weeks or months, we learned to just intuitively look at our hand, count the cards, balanced or not balanced, majors or minors, and that comes instinctively.
Yeah.
But all this stuff you're describing now, like, oh, did I notice that, everything that would require me to do an inverted minor exists? My mind isn't trained to look for all that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know how you, other than, you're helping us all the time to get us there.
Yeah, I mean, the thing is, that's why you have these conventions, you see. I mean, obviously, if you're just playing standard American where you don't have anything fancy, and like you say, you're just playing by instinct, you're not going to get to the right contract.
Right, right.
That's the thing.
Because there's no room for nuance.
And exactly, and then you're not giving your partner a good description of your hand. So you're still out in the cold there, or in the dark, I should say. Now, do I go to game? That's why they say, do I go to game or not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You ready for the next half?
Yep.
Okay, you all know about negative doubles?
No.
You remember that?
Tell me again.
Okay. I open a club and the next person bids a heart and you double. That's a negative double. It's not penalty. So you're telling me that most likely you have the other major and 6 or more points,
Right.
right?
Right. That's when you double after two suits have been played.
No, it's after, if your partner opens the bidding
I mean,
and the
two
next
suits have
person
been
bids
bid.
something,
Right.
pass, and you double, that shows that you have at least 6 or more points and probably points in the other suits. But you only have 4.
4 spades.
Yeah, like it goes one club, one heart, double. You only have 4 spades. But if you had 5 spades, then you bid 1 spade. So if you bid over the opponent's bid, shows at least 5 in that suit. But if you double, you're only showing 4 in the unbid suit.
Anne, will you remember that one, please?
Yeah, I have the paperwork on that from the ACBL class.
Oh my God.
Because a takeout double, you need 11 points. Is that true? And a negative double, you only need 6.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now remember that also, I mean, you have to be careful. Like if I open a club and the next person bids 2 diamonds and you double, you're already at the 2 level. So there you should have more than, you should have at least 10 points. Because
Right.
they raised the level, you see.
Right.
But if you're
Okay.
doubling at the 1 level, you're probably saying at least 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's responsive double?
Okay. Responsive double, that's a very good question. What if it goes like this? I open a club, next person passes, and you bid a heart. So remember, a club, pass, one heart by you, Ann, and then the next person bids one spade. If I double, I'm telling you I have 3 in your suit.
Which one was me?
Club.
Remember, I
opened,
open a club
okay. So I was the heart.
and you bid a heart, and the next guy after you bids a spade.
Right.
If I double, I'm telling you I only have 3 hearts. But if I bid 2 hearts, I'm promising 4. So I'm responding to you.
Gotcha. A responsive double.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So it would have to be after I bid.
Mm-hmm.
And if I opened, you wouldn't have a responsive double. Because if you double, if I was the opener and you were the responder, it would be a takeout. But if you're the responder on the second round through, it's a responsive.
No, if I open, not you. If you
I
open,
said it couldn't be responsive if I opened.
right.
Okay, just wanted to be sure, yeah.
Okay, and as far as no Trump overcalls, that's fine. You just keep the same point range.
Okay,
Okay.
I don't know
Simple.
what balancing it versus direct means, but
Oh, direct is immediately after a bid.
okay,
Like if the person on your right opens a club and you say one no Trump, that's a direct bid.
okay,
But if he goes all the way around, that's you balance it in 4 seat.
okay.
Now, what if you jump to 2 no Trump?
Well, wait a minute. There's no difference between the two, right?
No.
They're the
I mean,
same.
No, you see, people play different ranges.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes they balance with fewer points.
Okay.
Yeah. But if the person on your right opens a club and you jump to 2 no Trump, what is that? It's the 2 lowest on bid. It's not 22-21. It's unusual no Trump.
What is it?
No,
Okay, here's an example. The person on your right opens a spade and you bid 2 no Trump. What does that mean?
is that I've got all those
21
points?
points.
No, it's the 2 lowest you have both minors. You're 5-5 in the minors.
Oh,
Remember, it says there, the
Right.
2 lowest on bid. It's the 2 lowest.
Now, how many, in a month, how many times does that happen to you?
It doesn't happen that often. Maybe if you play, let's say, 18 hands,
Yeah,
maybe one may have something like that, or sometimes may never happen.
I mean, that's the thing. How do you remember these things if they never happen?
Yeah, but I mean, sometimes you do. If you have both, yeah, but you end up with a hand that has your 5-5 and 2 suits. Okay, and
Yeah.
the person on your right opens a no Trump, and you bid 2 no Trump. Or he opens a club and you say 2 no. It's always the 2 lowest on bid. That's all you have to remember.
All
I mean,
right.
your partner has to remember that also. And then your partner will pick the best of the 2. He can't leave you
Okay.
there. He can't pass 2 no Trump.
it's forcing.
It's forcing, that's right.
Okay. What does this mean, defense versus no trump?
Oh, defense versus no trump. If the opponent's opening no trump, and you bid two clubs, two diamonds, two hearts, or two spades, that's natural.
Okay.
It's not artificial.
But if you bid the two clubs, it's 21 points.
No. Remember, you're bidding over the no trump opener.
Okay.
Remember, the person on your right opens one no trump. And if you bid two clubs, you're telling me as your partner that you have a club suit and at least 10 or more points because you're already at the two level.
All right.
And if you bid two diamonds, the same thing. Two
Yep.
hearts. It's all natural. It's not artificial.
Okay. So
Because
it's
there is a convention called Scapelletti, and I think I did mention it some time ago, which is a totally different thing. But we're not going to bother with it now.
so you said natural. So it's 10 or more points, and for the minors, it's 3 cards, and for the majors, it's 4 cards.
No. You have a real suit. You have at least 5 in any one of these suits.
Oh, 5.
Oh, yeah, because remember, you're responding in that suit. That shows that you have a bunch of clubs or a bunch of diamonds or hearts or spades.
Okay.
Yeah.
And since they have 15 to 17, we need how many?
You need at least 10.
10. All right.
And only that, it's also telling your partner what to lead, you see, in case your partner is on lead.
Right.
Now, if you double one no trump, he says penalty. It's a penalty double. Okay. That means you're going to set these people. If they
don't
play the
believe
no
they
trump.
can make it. Yeah.
That's
Okay.
right. If they're only playing no trump. But if the next person bids something,
Goes
that-
away.
they're going to be in a suit contract.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. So for overcall, you have to have 4 cards?
Or where do you see that?
The left column, simple overcall.
Simple overcall at the one level. Oh no, you got to have at least 5.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah.
And do you play 10 points
No, you're at the one level.
to overcall?
Yeah.
Okay, so 8 to.
I mean, it's really, it's not 8 to 17. Yeah, you could say 8 plus.
Okay. Okay.
And a new suit is forcing.
That is if you respond in a suit. So,
So
let's
you-
assume.
Well, an overcall is always a new suit.
No. You're the responder to my overcall.
Okay. I see.
So
Okay.
I have to bid again. I'm not going to pass you.
Right.
Yeah. But it's only one round.
Right.
Okay. And the jump raise,
That's weak.
Team.
It's weak. So let's assume it goes, the person on my right opens one club
No.
and I say 1 spade and you respond 3 spades. That's weak. Remember, it's pretty much what happened if you look at the major opening block on the right side there. Do you see it?
Yeah.
You see there's the weak is as the responder is checked.
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
Means you have length, not
You're in
strength.
overcall and you jumped in my suit, it shows a weak bid. But
so
Length.
you still have to have the length, the 5 cards, but it's fewer points?
no, I'm the one with a 5 card suit. But
Oh.
you could have 4 or 5, but you have a weak hand.
And define that. What define weak? fewer than 10 points, fewer than 6 points?
Probably 7 or less.
Okay. What's the difference between a jump raise and a jump over call?
Okay, good question. Overcall is when I bid for the first time, it goes 1 heart, 1 spade. But a jump raise is you are my partner. You're responding to me.
So you overcall your opponent and you raise your partner.
Yeah. Exactly.
And what does it mean 3 to 4 bids for opening preempts?
This is in third or fourth seat.
We don't need to know.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, if you open a preemptive bid, I mean, it's obvious. It's going to be either at the 2 level or at the 3 level.
Okay. Okay, over opponents
Take out double.
take out double. So will you give us a scenario?
Yeah. So I open a heart and the next person doubles. That's a takeout. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if you bid a new suit at the 1 level or at the 2 level, it's forcing. Means I have to bid again. I'm not going to pass you. Because remember, you bid a brand new suit.
Okay.
But if you support my suit, that's different. It's only
We've never,
new suit forcing. It's always, you always force it for 1 round.
2/1.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
We've never learned redoubles, and I don't know if we need to yet, but we've never have.
Okay, so here we go. It goes, I open a heart and the next person doubles and you redouble.
What does that mean?
No fit. Means I don't like your hearts. Or you
But I
don't
don't,
like my hearts. I'm sorry, you don't like my hearts, but you have a decent hand. So I'm not gonna pass you.
A
I
decent
can't-
hand?
So you're gonna have at least probably 10 or more points.
but you don't have,
You don't have hearts with me.
but what does it say about what I do have? Because,
Yeah, you probably have the other suits.
but why would I not bid them at the 1 or 2 level?
Because you'd only have 4 in that suit. You don't have 5.
I
Remember,
don't
if
have
you,
5. Okay,
if you
gotcha.
bid over a double, you
Right.
should have 5.
Gotcha.
Mhm.
So my partner knows I don't have hearts, but I have less than 5 of the other.
Exactly.
The other major. I
Well,
must have-
whatever it is.
Well, if I
No,
don't like hearts, I would only have 2, right?
No, because if it goes 1 heart by me and the next person doubles,
Right,
that's a takeout double.
right.
So conceivably he could have spades and you could have the minor. You know, it depends. I mean, there are so many combinations.
Okay, I could have 4, 4, 4.
Yeah. And you may have a singleton in my suit.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I mean, okay,
That's when you redouble.
okay.
Yeah, don't worry about the stuff in red.
Okay.
Just keep it the same like we did before, you know.
So 2 no trump over major.
Can you scroll the page up, Emily?
Sure.
Thanks, because I'm looking on my printed copy that's not in, oh,
Oh, that's red. Okay, got it.
Right. So
Opening
just,
with
we don't
preamp.
need to know that.
Well, remember what I said. If I open a major, one
Yeah.
heart, and this person doubles, and you go to two no trump,
Yeah,
that's a limit raise or better.
okay, got it, yeah,
It's
Okay.
almost like a Jacobi two no.
okay,
It's only for the majors. You see, he's got it down for the majors.
got it.
But if you do it for the minors, it shows a limit raise in the minors.
Got you.
Do we know Michael's Cupid?
Yeah, you should know that. If let's assume,
We know Gerber and Blackwood.
well, Michael's,
I don't know Gerber. I know I wasn't there and I have the paper, but I don't know it, but go ahead.
well, let's do Michael's first.
Right.
The guy on my right bids a club, and I say two clubs. What does that mean?
Any of the other suits?
No. Sorry. It means
Right.
the other majors.
The other majors. So it's only for major.
What do you mean the other majors? Both majors?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
It
it
means
goes
you have
one club.
5
two
of hearts?
clubs, I'm 5-5 in the majors. If
Wow.
he opens a diamond and I say two diamonds, I have both majors, 5-5. If he opens a spade and I say two spades, what does that mean?
You have 5 hearts and
And a minor.
a minor.
Okay. And then if you want to know what my minor is, you as my partner, you're going to bid two no trump, asking me, name your minor. Because you don't like my hearts.
I'm not ready for that.
Good old Michaels? Okay.
My head hurts.
Okay. All right. And points for that?
Yeah, it's unlimited.
Okay, doesn't matter.
No.
Okay, got you.
Okay, slam conventions.
Did we do this versus opening preamps double as takeout?
Well, yeah, I mean, you have to specify
If
the
I
takeout
double,
double is through what?
11?
No. It's, you remember, you take out double over the opponent bid. So if the opponent opens a club and you double, that's a takeout double,
Yeah.
right? What if the opponent opens 4 hearts and you double?
That's a
Is that
penalty
takeout
double.
or penalty?
Penalty.
Okay, so then you have to specify you check off penalty if it's 4 hearts or higher.
through the 4 level is what you would say?
Yeah.
Takeout,
Through 4 diamonds. Anything beyond 4 diamonds and you double, which is a takeout, I can pass you.
Okay. Slam conventions. What's RKC?
Oh, we did that. Remember Roman?
that's the one we
Oh.
need to, that's the one we need to memorize.
Yeah.
The-
0 and
14.
3.
No,
Don't
it's
you call
1 or
it-
4, 0 or 3. It's 1430.
1430, yeah,
1430?
Yeah.
yeah,
So you
That's-
check off both boxes.
okay. And that's the one we have to memorize.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
I agree.
you remember the Gerber convention?
0 and 4. No, wait.
No, Gerber is over no trump. So if you open in no trump, it's only over an opening bid. Either 1 no or 2 no. And I bid 4 clubs. I'm asking you how many aces do you have? Gerber Convention.
All right. I'm gonna need to restudy that.
Me too.
Yeah, I think yeah, you should have it in your
Yeah,
folder.
I have to print out. I don't think I was there though, the day we did it. but,
Mhm.
um, And it's only over no Trump. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now as far as opening leads, that's fine.
Yeah, I think so. You don't do
Okay.
fourth best of versus no Trump though, do you? Just versus suits?
I'm sorry, I missed what you said.
Lead lengths. Fourth best versus suits, also fourth best versus no Trump?
Yeah, I mean, if you don't have
Okay.
an honor,
Okay, then go to
That's-
4.
yeah.
Okay. All right. And then
What
this
is
is,
that? What does it mean, primary signal to partners leads?
Well, okay. Do you have an attitude problem there?
yes.
Probably. What is that?
And that's what, well, if you like your partner lead, you know, this is an opening lead. If you play a high card, means you want him to keep on leading.
Right.
That's attitude.
Okay.
So that's like love, high, well, and then inverted or upside down would be
It's the
high hate,
reverse.
low
It's-
love.
Yeah.
So that would be an upside down attitude.
Oh, what happened? Are you still on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, I knocked.
Oh, I think we passed the, okay, I can see you.
Yeah, it's just her screen share stopped.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. And the last thing is the discarding. So that's up to you. You know, if it's the first discard, that means like halfway through the play of the hand, you don't follow suit and you throw a card. Okay.
Right.
In a suit. Now, if you play low in that suit, he has upside down.
Right.
Means if it's a low card, like let's say halfway through the hand, you lead a diamond and I throw away a small club.
That means I like clubs.
Correct. If I
Low,
throw away a high club, means I don't like clubs. I prefer the higher ranking suit.
right.
So it'll be most likely spades.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Okay, are you okay now?
Oh, yeah, everything.
I'm about to have a drink now.
All
All right,
right.
well, thank you.
Thank you, Aaron.
So I hope. By the way, Emmett, how is your neighborhood? Did they finally plow the snow and the ice? Is it passable?
Yeah,
Good. All right.
definitely.
Yeah, well, it's gonna be in the 60s this weekend, so we'll be good by next Thursday.
Okay.
Definitely. Yeah. Great. We'll see you next
Great,
Thursday.
thank you, Aaron.
Thanks, Aaron.
Bye bye.
Bye.